Okay, this is my binary to decimal conversion project. This is my Raspberry Pi. It's my breadboard that does all the things. And this here is my Python code that runs all it. And I get all these functions from the two modules in both here and here. So this gives you all the LEDs and buttons that you need to do this. And over here gives you the functions that we also have to have required to run this code. So anyways, what it does is when you run it, asks you to input a binary decimal. So if you type in binary, then we go over here and we press buttons that turn these lights on. And so it's going to be a little hard to see here, but this would be 10111, or anyways. So then you press the progress button, and then those will all turn off, and it will have added 23, which is the correct value. And if we run it again, this time we do decimal, and let's say we type in 13, then down here the lights will turn on, giving us the binary number 1101 or 13. Then we press this button and it shuts down.